Hello, my name is Akilito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play I'll Be There from Friends, TV show Friends, yeah? So first thing first, I'm gonna tell you how I teach you the chords and notes. So, yeah, anyway. For chords, I'm gonna tell you by numbers. For example, G, I'm gonna tell you 0, 2, 3, 2. That's G, right? And yeah, if it's C, I'm gonna say like this, 0, 0, 0, 3. And the full notes, every single note, I'm gonna tell you by number as well, but in a different way. For example, this note, it's on the first string and 5th fret. So I'm gonna say first 5. First and second and third and fourth for strings, and I'm gonna say the normal number for fret. So if it's this note, I'm gonna say first 0, because it's on the first string but 0 string, right? 0 fret, yeah? Okay. So that's the explanation for how I tell you the like notes and chords. So let's move on to the tutorial part. Okay, first I'm gonna tell you the riff, like the introduction of the song. So in order to make it simple, I'm gonna play with my thumb. Goes like this. So strum. Oh, by the way, first chord is G, 0, 2, 3, 2. Then play top 3 string. Then pluck the first string twice and lift up your point finger so that it's gonna be a first 0. Okay. Pluck twice, then 0, and second string, then F. F is 2, 0, 1, 0, so up to here. Then F, and pluck top 3 strings. And put your link finger on the second 3. First string, second string. So okay. So this is basically the introduction. Just play twice, okay? Again. Alright. So now move on to the first part of the song. So in order to make it simple, I'm gonna play with thumb again. Like this. So first chord is G. I think you remember, right? Oh, earthquake again. Oh, right. So play G, top 3 string, and first string, second string, and first 0. Okay, and this one. The next chord is G suspended 4, 0, 2, 3, 3. Add your pinky on the first 3 to the normal G shape. So that's gonna be G sus4. So it's gonna be like this. Then sus4, and put your pinky off and play the first string. So it's gonna be first two. Okay. Okay. And first 0, second 3, and play top 3 strings of the G. Third, second, then first 0, then F. So I'm gonna be, play again slowly. G sus4, and first, second, first 0, second 3, G again, third, second, first 0, then F, and again repeat. Up to here it's the same. Okay, pluck the top 3 string and third, second, first 0, and G sus4, take off, and first 0, second string, and again sus4, and take off, first 0, second string, D. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 5. Bar the second fret with your pinky on the first 5. So I will slow it down. F. Again. G. Sorry, D. Okay? Next one. Goes like this. So I'm gonna play with my thumb. So first chord is F. This chord, 2, 0, 1, and with your pinky on the first 3. Okay, so down, 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 and A minor goes like this. So take off your point finger, then it's gonna be A minor. You know, like 2, 0, 0, 3. Twice, then just linger your pinky there and make G shape. So G suspended 4, 2, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. Play and take off the pinky. Then take off and play twice, and add again, and take off. So it's gonna be add and take off. Then second, first string with nothing, so first 0, and first 2, then F again, A minor, and just try once, then first 2, first 0, second 3, G shape, and play top 3 string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st 0, 1st 2, and D, 2 2 2 0. Then put your pinky on the 2nd 3. Okay, so I'm gonna slow it down. G sus4. Okay, so the next one. So I'm gonna play with my thumb again. So to repeat, okay? So the first chord is this shape. So first you pluck the top 2 string of the G and add your pinky on, this is G shape actually. So add your pinky on the first 5 and 3rd 3, and again this chord. Put your point finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Okay. Then this chord. So put your pinky on the first 5 and slide it up to first 7. Then D. Okay, D. Bar the 2nd fret and put your pinky on the first 5. Pluck, first 0, first 2, first 3, twice, first 2nd, first 0, 2nd 3. Sorry, it's not 2nd 3. G, okay? So, then G. Alright? Then repeat. Then, after you play 3 times, you play this chord, F, and add your finger on the first 3. Then G. That's the end of the song. So I'm gonna slow it down. G shape. So that's all the song, and you can learn it. I think you can just repeat this video until you get it. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please tell your friends if you know some of them who want to learn how to play the ukulele. That helps me a lot. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.